došli gospodin potpredsjednik vlade Dačić, gospođa potpredsjednica vlade, puno hvala na to što vi date vašu potporu ove organizacije. Na početku želio bih se izviniti za to što moj srpski je još uvijek malo slabo, ali ja znam da ima tu opremu ako želite. Ja ću nastaviti na engleskom. Good evening, everyone. Before I get started, again, it's a great honor to be here. And I, of course, want to thank the First Deputy Prime Minister, the Foreign Minister, Mr. Doncic, and the Deputy Prime Minister, Madam Mihailovic, both close friends already, and I really appreciate their support. But of course, to my very good friend, Vladimir Marinkovic, and also to Mr. Page for the invitation to participate. I really appreciate your initiative and your energy and your commitment to this relationship. So thank you all the members of the Serbian-American Friendship Congress, members of Parliament, journalists, academics, leaders from the business community for joining us here this evening. Congratulations on the second anniversary. I'd also like to thank Jim O'Brien from the National Democratic Institute, NDI, with funding from the National Endowment for Democracy, is working closely with the Friendship Congress to undertake greater policy-focused initiatives. The Serbian-American Friendship Congress has put great effort over the past 2 years to highlight and to strengthen the bilateral Serbian-American relationship, which goes back 138 years now. We were allies during 2 world wars. The trajectory of our friendship has been one of shared vision of the future that we have worked and fought together to achieve. The Serbian-American Friendship Congress's key goal, the betterment and deepening of our nation's partnership, is vitally important to me. In fact, it is my principal charge as the U.S. Ambassador.